They make student recording management project according to C language. My project name is Good morning everyone. Today I created project. One of the project name is called Student Management System. This project I created structure called student. It has ID name, enter student name, age, marks, etc. I stored multiple students in array of structure. Okay, coming to the point, there are three main functions. First one is add student. Second one is display students, search students. These three are the functions of the program I created. To enter student details, I use add student. To display students details all in one table, I use display student. When I search particular student to get the full details of the particular student, I use the search student. These three are the main functions of the student. And here in the main function I used menu choice, student, display student, search student, etc. Here as it is basic of abstract integer string h. By defining max, I taken 100. Search student. This is the function I used here. Int id, character name, I take 50 character name. You can use character name as 50 letters. In age, float, marks. Age taken in ints. In data type, marks taken as a float. And name as well taken as a, we all know, character. ID also we take int data. Void add student. By adding every student particular details. First we give an input enter ID. By scanning by printing before that I scanned students of the ID. Particular the way continuing name, age, marks as the flow of the way. Print student add successfully. When the 4 are added, then the students get successfully the column as created. Student list is full. When the maximum of the students are filled, then we get student list is full. Void display students. When the particular roll number, example 1 or 2, I want by searching. Coming the student name is Dilip or Rani something. Age is 17. That like when you search the student you can print no student to display. Return if count equal to 0, then print no students is display. When the count equal to 0, the print is no display. Print ID plus name plus the okay, as this way the printing of the name ideas in the vertical way. For flow, int I equal to 0, int less than count. When the int less than count, I plus plus. This is the condition I taken here. According to here if condition, I take the flow of for loop. Print student ID, student name, student age, student marks. Void search student. For void search students, enter student ID to search. If the student ID is 1 or 3. particular student details I need. When I simply set 103, the student name can Rani, age 27, and marks 97 point something, and roll number 1. Then in that case, I use the function such student. For the loop, I also give for loop here, and I use the print and printing all student ID for that student, a particular student I need. That like that like way I that code output given particular students details I get, then break the loop. If the student ID is not found, then printing this one. If if not found means 103 is not there in particular details, then print student ID is not found. Int main, int choose. As the student management system. We created the project as student management system, add student. If we enter input one by adding one particular student, again printing one particular student. If we type 2 on input, then display students. Particular we add a student, that students are displayed on table. If add if we enter that if we enter 3, then such students we want to search the particular roll number of the students of detail. Then we enter 4, all particular added students after display such. There is no way that say you keep null or exit. You keep here exit. I keep here exit. Case 1, here the 3 functions where we declare here, and we involves to main functions here. This is the 3 way taken the functions to do the project: add student, display students, search students. After adding, the loop is broken. Adding student, here is the adding student we taken if else loop. After completing this, the loop is broken. Display students. Here the display students if for loop is we taken. After completing this loop, then we can automatically break the loop. Such students here is there. Then automatically this loop is completed. Then break automatically the such students is completed. Print exiting. If all is the students we enter happen, the loop is fully exiting. And if any case any wrong error is there, invalid choice, any student say something name or roll number is not given, the student is invalid. That the way the loop is created, a for loop, if else loop. The main functions in the program is taken: add student, display students, search students. Now I show the output of the program. First adding student, we want to type 1. By typing 1, adding one student name. First we want to add the student of ID. I taken 240 and name the live, and age is 20 and marks is 0.5%. Again we want to add another student, then press 1. Again roll number Roll number says ID only. Again enter name. That name I give Ram. Again age 21 and marks 80.6. And again we want to enter. Press 1. Again roll number. Again name Rani. Again age 19. Marks 99.9 something else. And coming up to here, we all added some 3 students' names. Up to here, we added. Then coming to the point. By coming to the point, we want to display all students. By coming to the point, we want to display this particular 3 students on the table. What we will do means simply we give 2. What is the meaning of 2? I given here. You'll see. Display students. We enter 2 here. Means the particular 3 students are displayed on the table. Now entering 3. 3 means such student means I want something particular 20241 ID. See here, what is 241? 241 Ramu's ID is 241 and age is 21. 82 point marks is 80.6. I want that particular student's details. I know only ID. Then that time I enter simply 241. I need that particular ID. Anything is not there when exit. We want to enter simply 4 exit. Then running the code.
అరే ఏంట్రా ఇది?
2000 years later.
Secure connection run is there. Here the output we got. See, this is the student number 1 details, student 2 number details. That's why here the table we created according to the 3 student. This is the table. By seeing here the IDs 240, 241, 242. Here the names Dilip, Rani, Ram. Here the age 20, 19, 21. Here the marks you can see. I search the particular ID 241. Here the 241 details of Rani, age 19 and marks here. You can see. By searching that student, I got the student of particular student details. That is the program of the student management system. This is the website of student recording management. Now coming to the point, here we can add a student like name, student college mail. By adding student, we got get here the student detail of everything. Like the way how many students you can add.
One eternity later.
Now we added in the way of many students here. I need a particular student details. You can search like a student name or a roll number or email. Such a student name. Usually here the name of the student, you can delete the student, or you can edit the student details. Subscribe to CLG Life with me. Goodbye. See you next video. Next video అయితే కలుద్దాం. డైలీ లాగ్స్ అయితే చేస్తున్నారు నెక్స్ట్ సిరీస్ నుంచి. ఎవరైనా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోవాలంటే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. బాయ్. నేను మీ దిలీప్.
Ева, я любила